Hi, I'm Jim Crockett. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to come listen to us. It's very much appreciated. I'm running for District Court Judge in Department 24. And as Judge Israel explained, District Court is the entire Clark County. The department numbers you see are just the numbers on the courtroom doors, so that each department is kept separate. But regardless of where a case comes from, anywhere in Clark County, it can be assigned any of the civil or civil criminal judges in any department. The seat is currently an open seat. It's been occupied by Judge Bixler, who will finish out this year and retire. I chose an open seat because 20 years ago, when I got the idea in my head that I wanted to become a judge because I felt I could do a better job than some of the judges I was trying cases in front of. Well, the bench has improved a lot since then. And so I wanted to wait until the seat opened up, and that happened. I've pretty much been raised here in Clark County. My parents moved here when I was 3. And like Ted Moody, my dad went to work at the Nevada Test Site. He worked there from 1952 to 1970. I'm a product of the public school system. I went all the way through public school until I went away to college in Los Angeles, and I went to law school in Sacramento. In 1974, I passed the bar exam, and I, being a graduate of 4 years of college and 3 years of law school, I now knew everything. So I went to the local Pioneer Citizens Bank, and I took out a small business loan for $2,500, and I opened my own office, because what could I possibly learn by going to work for anybody else? So for 4 years, I kind of stumbled and tripped along, trying to learn the ropes, and I did everything from criminal law, handling felony trials and even a couple of homicide trials, and civil litigation. In 1979, I formed a partnership with Richard Myers, known as Crockett and Myers, and from 1979 until now, that firm has been in existence continuously. We did nothing but represent private citizens against corporations and insurance companies in matters involving serious personal injury and wrongful death. From 1979 to 1983, I did a lot of our trial work, and I became eligible to apply for board certification, which is pretty unusual in lawyers. Doctors do it a lot, but it's pretty unusual with lawyers. And I became board certified by the National Board of Trial Advocacy. And in order to do that, you not only have to pass a written day-long exam, you also have to get the recommendations of the judges you have tried cases in front of, and the opponents you tried cases against. Right. Since 1983, I've been recertified every 5 years, showing that I continue to do trial courtroom practice, jury trials to verdict. And I am still certified, and my certification is good until 2018. I'm also AV rated, preeminent, have been for over 25 years. That's the highest rating a lawyer can get. And I'm AV rated in my field of personal injury, wrongful death, and even medical malpractice, which I used to do but no longer do. I mention these things because these are the qualifications that would make me a really superb trial court judge. I have tried so many cases. I know the rules of evidence, the rules of procedure. And I can tell you that there's nothing more frustrating if you're a serious trial lawyer than trying your case in front of a judge who's never tried a case before. Yeah, it's hard to imagine. It would be like having somebody who wrote surgery textbooks critique a surgeon who actually does the surgery. Okay? So it's important to have the qualifications and experience. I would appreciate it if, rather than me continuing to toot my own horn, if you would go to my website. This is jimcrockett.net, and you can see my entire curriculum vitae, my resume, education, professional history background, and the awards that I've been given. I would really appreciate your vote, because there are 4 people running for this spot. And I say this whether they're in the room or not. My qualifications and experience are head and shoulders above theirs, and I would be an excellent choice for district court. Thank you very much. Any questions?